Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie. If you've never been here before, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now, and like this video. I'm here today with a makeup tutorial. I'm not a makeup artist, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. My cousin is going to be doing my voiceover, so hopefully this turns out okay.
So we come true, fresh face, we're ready. Flicking your fingers, yeah, feel yourself, let's go. Alright, so you got the first, apply the first bit of, well, I don't know what they're called. And yeah, you've got some MAC there, I see some MAC. Squirt that on the, yeah, so why is the thing that you're dabbing in your face 5 shades lighter than your skin?
Did you see what I did there?
It's a scam.
Remove. Dab it all on, get them cheeks. Start off with the face, you know. Get the first coat of deception on the face. You come through with the second coat. Yeah, dab that on, just dabbing it on, dabbing on the palettes of paint, palettes of deception onto the skin. Ooh, itchy nose, let's go. Alright, then we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Cause you know right now your eyebrows are looking kind of weak, but get me, at the end of this tutorial, they'll be fire. Alright, so you're gonna get that, what's that, a Sharpie. Grab that Sharpie and just accentuate the eyebrows. Give them a little flick right into the temple. Get me. Look, before the eyebrow were looking a bit thin and that, looking a bit, get me, bit malnourished, but now they're all thick. And then what's this? So you add I don't know what it's called. Add the I'm just gonna go with paint, cause you know that's the easiest thing to say. So you add the paint to the top and the bottom of the newly formed eyebrow. You see how it looks already? Yeah. And then you blend it in. Blend that. Both sides, and then that's the, I don't know what that was. Raw. Oh my days. So you come through with the next thing now. Giving yourself some spots. Alright, cool. We're getting a few more shades lighter as well. Not to worry. Alright. Yeah, be careful with your eyes, you know. Don't want to get your finger in your eye. But yeah, dab it round, cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, even your lip. I don't know if that was on purpose, but I see it on your lip there as well. Might as well eat that. Yogurt. Yeah, just keep dabbing it on, Alright, we're gonna apply some more, a next shade now of brown under the eye again. Yeah, keep rolling your eyes, Undertaker thing. Yeah, careful. More to the lip now. So you want your skin to change color and you want your lip to change color. Raw. Okay, apply some more to the nose. I know about this one. You gotta blend the nose in to the cheeks for the contour thing. You get me? I know my stuff. Aye, but real talk, women go through all of this. They do all of this madness just to go about their day. I just about wash my face in the morning, but
I heard that, you nasty.
you get me? That's another story. All this and you don't get no compliments during the day. Imagine that. Forget it. But yeah, back to the thing. Alright, so more foundation. Yeah, foundation on the cheeks. Blend it in, forehead. Nice, looking all right though. It's looking all right. Get that top lip. Accentuate the top lip. Accentuate the Nubian features. You get me? I know how the thing's set already. Your nose was itching low key. You tried to style it out with the brush, I see. Yeah, Everything's to do with the cheeks in it, the most important part. Alright, but cool. You're flicking it kind of far, so you think you need to be a bit more subtle, you know. You're attacking your face with that brush, boy. Be careful, man. Little bit of a pose, showing us your empty, whatever that is. I think it's about a new one. Applying another different shade under the eyes. Yo, this is effort, you know. This is actually effort. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this gold dust thing? Just dashing bare things on your face. Yeah, keep rolling your eyes to your back of your head. Nah, this is mad though. Dashing bare stuff on the face. This pixie dust. You might as well just leave it like that. Go out your house looking like that. Yeah, that's fire still. Alright, so we've got some more shades of brown coming onto the face. You need to blend it though, I can't lie. All this stuff needs blending. Blend that deception in, man. Blend that deception. Let's go. Right now there's too much going on with the face, but I'm hoping that at the end, I see why it's being done. Cause right now, you're just looking at one higgy haga colouring book. And now you're adding more. Okay, so this must be foundation or, I don't know, foundation or contour or something. Yeah, blend it. Now your face is looking so mad right now. Oh man, the struggles you women go through. Just glow. Yeah, glowing. Get that skin glowing. Get that skin glowing. You need to be more subtle with that brush though, I can't lie. Looking like you're hurting yourself and that. But it's working now. Yeah, quick smile for the camera. Put that arm down though. Don't know what that arm's doing. Bit more setting spray. Ah, that's how it doesn't rub off onto the mandem's clothes, innit? When you hug the mandem, if you use that setting spray, they won't get no marks. Alright, now we're moving on to the eyes. Alright, so just mashing up your eyes. Bit of mascara. Bit of mascara on there. Yeah, nearly there. That palette is mash up though. Get a new one, but yeah, remove. So a bit more on the lip. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but a bit of give the eyebrows a bit of colour. Bit of flick. Look at the flick of the eyebrow. Look at the flick of the wrist. This is a whole transformation, you know. That one was nearly finished, but okay. Yeah, get them lips. Hide all the dryness. Yeah, colour that in. Everything's colour, right? Colouring everything. Eyebrows, lips, nose, everything. This is, yeah, I respect it still. Look, even you look fed up. You're like, oh, let me just finish this. You can't even be bothered anymore. Yeah, quick smile, quick dance to hide the pain away. Yeah, lip gloss. Can't go wrong with lip gloss still. Can't lie. Do you want to show us the product properly or? Okay. Everything's going on now. Nearly done with the lips and that. Oh, that must be lip gloss then. Yeah, no, it looks good. You look unsure. Don't look unsure at the camera. Yes. Yes. Flick that hair. Yes. Bend that shoulder. Put the hand down though. Headache thing. Always holding your head. You got a headache? Oh, head's hurting. Yeah, nah. Lit though.